Thanks for tuning in to Watch Fox News at 5. I'm Brian McConkey. Freddie Clairvaux is off this week. We begin this evening with new developments in a shooting outside a Planned Parenthood clinic in Columbia that happened earlier this month. A man seen on video shooting another person has been arrested and charged in the case more than a week after it happened. Our Barlise Pimentel is at the Alvin S. Glenn Detention Center where that man just appeared in front of a judge. What do we know here?
Late this afternoon, a judge granted Mark Baumgartner a $50,000 cash surety bond. The 56-year-old is a well-known abortion advocate, anti-abortion advocate who protests regularly outside Planned Parenthood. He faces several charges, including assault and battery of a high and aggravated nature after an altercation with a man earlier this month. A judge granting a $50,000 cash surety bond to Mark Baumgartner in court late Tuesday afternoon after investigators say he shot a man in broad daylight near a Planned Parenthood.
No, you did! Wow!
This video was recorded the day of the shooting on November 14th. According to authorities, Baumgartner is the one in the video pepper spraying a man and later shooting him after a short argument. Baumgartner's attorney, Jim Griffin, says he shouldn't have been charged at all.
We were really caught off guard that he was arrested this morning without any notice, and so today is the first step in a pretty long process. You know, he's presumed innocent under the law, and we believe he's innocent under the facts.
Griffin says Baumgartner is the CEO of the anti-abortion group A Moment of Hope. He says he's been protesting at the Planned Parenthood parking lot for years and never had an issue. In early October, Baumgartner testified at the State House about an abortion proposal being considered by a group of state lawmakers.
Our method is to be kind and approachable, offering help in a winsome way.
Prosecutors argue Baumgartner was recording the victim while they were in their car and initiated the incident. But Griffin says Baumgartner had the right to defend himself under the state stand your ground law.
The truth of the matter is, under South Carolina law, you have the right to defend yourself and even use deadly force if necessary. And so those issues will come to play in this case. We're confident in Mark's innocence.
Attorney Justin Bamberg says many people came to him about the case and says he doesn't think it meets the standard for stand your ground.
How did we get there in the first place? Everybody has the right, absolutely, to protect their own life, period. But whether it's that issue or any other issue, when you arm yourself with a weapon, you have a heightened responsibility, not just to yourself and your own family, but to the people you're interacting with. You're supposed to bring the energy level down if you're carrying a weapon. And that's not what I saw on this video.
The judge ordered Mark Baumgartner not to return to the Planned Parenthood and to not make contact with the victim. His next court date is January 30th at 10 a.m. In Columbia, I'm Barlise Pimentel, Watch Fox News, Local First.